it's back. Now in 2019 was the last time Mills CNC had an open house, and aligning with their 50th anniversary, now in 2024 they're having another. And guess what? As you would expect, there is so much to see. And this year's event takes place on the 9th and 10th of October at their state-of-the-art campus facility here at Leamington Spa. So with 16 advanced machine tools from DN Solutions on show and their Synergy automated manufacturing cells, Mills CNC are simply pushing the boundaries at this event and asking you to join them. Machining best practice isn't just about the machine tool, it's about partnerships and collaborations, all of which will be on show here at the event in October. In addition to that, there's going to be loads of awesome demonstrations just like this. And having spent the day here today, there's a really good vibe. It's really exciting times to see what Mills CNC and DN Solutions are doing. So get yourself here to the open house on the 9th and 10th of October. Register via their website and join them in pushing the boundaries.